Now what am a poor story, now a 4-story house. Now what am a poor story, now a 4-story house. Now what am a poor story now.
Yo, Jerusalem, you see vibes right now. You see vibes right
yes,
now.
Sir.
Carib Star peeps. Long time when I tell me in Jerusalem, yo, Wagwan for the artist interview. Now we're telling us, say, yo, we're there in the tri-state now. I can't just do the normal interview. And I find it like a full circle moment, Jerusalem, that we have a big artist with us, because the last time we did this, there was another big artist talking about another big album. It was Idonia with Occupied Mind. And now me said to myself, say, what a full circle moment for have with us, for represent Dancehall, represent Speed Town, none other than Govana. Govy.
Yeah. Wow. And let me just introduce it by saying, he's one of the leaders at the new school.
Talk true.
Yeah, man. So big up Govy and being one of the leaders at the new school. Very inspirational to a lot of artists that come in after him, you see me? True. And it was, as you can tell by his affiliation with a lot of artists and upcoming artists, you know, the marketing and things. So you see the direction of this album is like a trend-setting thing, but we get further into it as we go further into the conversation.
Yeah, man. So peeps, it's all about legacy. That's the new album out from Govy. New album. Now, before we get into the body of work, Governor, we just really want to find out from you, because of course there is the title track called Legacy, but we feel like the fans want to hear from you, like in your own words, what does legacy mean to Governor?
Legacy means you with them, you know, everything for them, right? For right, yeah, me I do this for them, and I do this because of them. You understand? And not say because of them, because I pride myself and one, you know what I mean? But they with them, they are the front and center of my mind with everything me I do. You understand? Because I trouble them with them the day and about like them ball for day, if you get the message, whenever them big. So I have to do it for them and set it for them. And I think one thing I'm scared of the most is for me for work and be so successful, and at the end of the day,
nobody feel it for
work. Yeah. I might be better for work with people and people deal with them, you know, treat them unfairly and all of that. So we have set the cornerstone and set the foundation for something greater. So in a year, Romeo Nelson, Descendants is really and truly something magical. Just like we think about a Bob Marley, you know, we think about DME, and you see DME bring out him look a Sunwadi, and you say, yo, just look like royalty. And then you see it, we say YG Marley, we have Steve Marley, we have so many. You know what I mean? So right now, even the Marley name is such a brand now where you can't just get up and just use that no more than do. You understand? Yeah, it's such a real brand right now, like a worldwide brand. It's not something local or regional. We are talking about international. You know what I mean? Them type of thing that we are trying to set, and them mindset that we have, and them thing that we are going to set for you, them and set fit. And make them example if you get to use to know, say, yo, I'm to know, so we have to come live, boy, big. Dirty like what Shabba say.
All right. So, Govy, like how you mentioned, legacy is a very interesting thing you mentioned, that in terms of your youths that coming up. Would you oppose to them being artists?
No.
I encourage it.
I wouldn't encourage it, but if it's a case, I wouldn't say I would get out and tell them what an artist, but if it's a case of them feel like they want to pursue their music, I try my best to advise them and be true as unfiltered and as truth as
possible.
Yes, because at the end of the day, if me say them not cut out feed, me not gonna try to feed. Me not gonna try to feed that side of them, knowing say, cause me know what music can do to you, and me know how grueling it is. Me gonna be real. If me Gray, me gonna advise them and say, yo, me support this thing, but me not too sure, you know. Yeah, I be real, but with the facts in me coming up when me I do music, my father never told it 100 with me, I do it still. You see me? But my mother was more like, yo, anything I do, me done that me I do, you know. My father was like, yo, enough artists who sit by hands on a box still, you know, me don't know about the artists up there, you know. And
true.
Yeah, and me they feel that way about it, but now when me and father now, I understand it. Everybody just want them dog on top. You understand? They want me to do something more secure or something more traditional. So going into music in Jamaica, where every single corner there's 3 or 4 artists.
Yeah, man.
I say it hard and it grueling and dance that is unforgiving. So I understand them thing that. But for me just do want do this or this more and do. You understand? So yeah, would support me with them if they want to do as something, take on something like this, or even sports or something where untraditional, where, you know what I mean?
Yeah, respect, Govana. Now, in terms of legacy, so many years say this was the title of your album, Govy. It kind of come in like when me get nervous in a sense, where it's like me I say, and not everybody can boldly come out and make a title like this. I come out and say, this is the title of my body of work. It come like when artists out of nowhere, I call them album legend. Yeah, that's what I mean. Say. Yeah. When there's no proof. Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah, that's it.
So for me, when this is a Govy forward with legacy, I said to myself, say Govy could have do it forward with. Yeah, get me curious. Come here and say, Govy could have do this long time, so why really I go say to the people? So my question then, Govy, is why no? Why not back when Hammonds did drop? Why not before? Why right now is the right time for this project?
The time is always now. So Hammonds Black then it was for Hammonds, and time for Hammonds, and legacy time is for legacy. I've always have that mindset. Whatever for me, it's happen. You know what I mean? And it is what it is. And with when we did now versus when we did 4 years ago, I've learned so much more as a human being, as a father, as an artist. There's so much growth. You know what I mean? Especially with COVID, it taught me a lot. You know what I mean? Because that's our experience. But Ghana, I don't know what people get to go through something as grueling as that. When we go through, forward out and still remain firm. Because a whole heap of lives with the COVID destroyed without even people catching COVID.
Whole heap of artists' life get destroyed too.
Yes. Because the top man that catch COVID and then career catch COVID. So it's just like, so it's like if still there and say, yo, John won't start. You know what I mean? We African bring out some of them vibe there in the music now for say, yo, we survive with day, and we still we are always there. We can say we cemented and we set this thing, you know what I mean? And so we don't worry about certain things to say, yo, wonder if never ever know, we will pass them stage. I would not say, yeah, man, we got always do it. I mean, I always have the mindset, so I got always do it. So the legacy now, I've grown so much tremendously because for probably a year and a half, but then in the States, just back and forth, just go on with a vibe and with them, but mostly in the States, just a reason with them and just grow them, because like we being on the road chasing the dream, it's kind of hard to be the best parent possible. You know what I mean? Because being a parent is not just like over the phone or just giving money. Like really and truly, you have to be there in person to reason with the youth, them, make them catch a vibe, instill certain values. Worse with my youth, I'm living in the States. We know the direction the States are going, how things look and things confusing how we are right now. So you as a lion have to install some different chip in a Euro Cup them mind and make them stay up on the lion part. Cause right now the man walk with some plug I try to put in the air in them heads. You have to know where. Yes, I'm dead for you youth them. Cause
that's a real legacy.
Yes, that's a real legacy. Cause at the end of the day, them have wonderful mothers and grandmothers but at the end of the day, kings need the father. Yes, right. And need them father around them. Isn't it? So yeah, do that. We're gonna feel them in that respect.
Respect, Govy, respect. Now, all right, so go on to Jerusalem. Go on to.
Yeah, we was gonna talk more about the album still, you know. So Govy, the album is out now, doing very well. Very well, I might say. And I hear a lot of songs playing on the street. Some of my personal favorites are Letters, 4 Story, I Tear Down the Place, we can't tell it.
Tear it down.
Over was one of the first leading out singles. It actually was on our chart. Yeah. And you know, from you touch our chart, you really are mash up the place.
Yes, you never look,
Next one of my personal favorite is Girlless. Definitely. A big surprise on the album for me was hearing Movado. Big special that one there. Yeah, man, that one the big. And next surprise for me was actually on Popcorn. Yeah, so tell me about the Saved by Your Psalms, because I think you drop a video for that one.
Yeah.
Tell me how that come about and everything.
Yes, the Saved by Your Psalm now, a lot of people that feel like say me and Papi wasn't even good or, you know, a vibe like that. But the thing with we, you know, as superstars, at times we don't really have, we don't just chasing it, and we are not gonna go on like say we not have egos and we have all of them things, and we're not gonna say we might not have disagreements, but they never reach a point where we have Papi kick off a certain way, and we have always been mutual and just have the respect there. For even a year me not see him, within the year me probably get a link to say, yo, Scholar say if you're good with them, I say, yeah man, tell you that big up man, we link up, you know. And this is the first man make music we've always have that vibe. Yeah, at the first when I make music now, and we have always have the vibe. Like my record single, me call him name night. You get
man. Dan really t-shirt if everybody can remember.
yeah, man. So we have with the record single, we have we call Papi name, Papi Bina call my name. Bro, banana clip Ben live. You get me? I say so. We have the connection, and then Squidel, which is my manager, is his brother. You get me? I say so. Yes, you don't know. So come the connection close. So yeah. So with him now making music was always something what we've been wanting to do, but we just never have the time. You know what I mean? So we link up now. I say I do album. We don't have the meds with the legacy and everything. I say man.
And all of the artists we have as collaboration, a legacy artists.
Legacy.
Trust me. Yeah, man, a legacy artist.
You Jerry, you know personally, I know at the end of the day, it have to make sense. You understand?
Yeah, man.
So with legacy now, it was some everything had to have some form of connection. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
We had the connection with King, so you know the one matic rhythm Boss King, and you know I was the first big artist to get like the looking if you say yo you are come run the world place. So the better than that song in 2018 that was
like Jada Kingdom.
Yeah, so them thing that was so basically me a part of Freedom Legacy coming up and all of them thing there. And then you don't know Papi as well said the connection and all of them thing you might call we name before Boss and Ray. And then you know more part of legendary. You understand? And then the next thing what we have to print to it is the same Gully, Gaza, J.O.P.
Same thing.
Yeah. Era when me grew up in it.
So I'm tell you say you're one of the leaders of the new school. Let people understand them, we understand where they come from.
Yeah, so what really and truly now, if you pre everything with the names I'm call before, names I'm call after, I am the bridge between everything what I go on.
Yeah.
So the before me have the respect there, respect me to the level there, and then the youth them after me, them have the same level of respect there. I even more also, you know what I mean? So we did have to connect with people who would make sense and people who may have some form of connection with. So Papi was definitely one. And then Movada was like an individual where we grew up on Movada music and come see and change the game in terms of like when Vada was everyone sing G.
But everybody turns
Yeah, man. So we see the things that we do and we know how legendary he is and we say, yeah, man, without great to have them on the album. I'm still I try to figure out, we say, yo, Jano, them two man, probably people might feel like they say eye to eye or whatever. And at the end of the day, I never have plan to set up nobody because I never want a track list come out and two man and a good same name beside each other and I say, yo, what? Yeah. So I still have him approach a man to say, yo, you know, say, I put together an album and this is my mindset, and this is how I want to do. And everybody give me them blessings. Say, go.
That's why you had the lead at the new school because how much artists can get.
Yeah, and them artists can get. No. You get me? I say, so I explain to everybody, say, yo, this is my mindset, this is how I want to do. You're in, when I say, I'm to go with work, work. When I say, go in a business about that, man, I'm to you, already know. You understand? So, we get them level of respect, them, I feel good for say, all right, then we can do it. You know what I mean? If we do it to the level where I say, yeah, man, it's a great vibe. I'm glad that the fans, them, appreciate the effort that we say we can bring together some greats like this, my one project, we can sit down and listen to some of our legendary artists, them, and some of the upcoming guns, them, you understand?
True. Yeah, man, and some very good production. And who are some of the producers that work on this album? Because I'm telling you, sonically,
solid.
And how you some of the verses, them, and the production and the mixing.
Yeah, man.
A1. So who work on it?
Executive producers, records, you know, because we say we're going to do album now. Jordan, many more conversation must go over right now. We like a time for you go album again, you know. We say, yeah, man, this was like last year. So we say, all right, Jordan, because now always say my next album we don't want to do it to the one set producer, like, we can't see me and them whole vibe, you understand? But we say that to Jordan and say, yo, yeah, man, I want to do I'm glad me you do a whole album. I say, go, no, man, you know, me enough to do a whole album, man, bro. You've been a work with man where you and them have connection.
Chemistry, yeah.
Everything blend. Me don't want to do all them about me. More on the people them where been a work with have the chemistry. I will put it together and we say, all right. They must say, I just want to oversee it for no say, yeah, man. I say, all right, you know, you're right. So I must say, yeah, man. So come now we connect up with all of the man them where me and them been a connect Crash Dummy. I say we connect up with Quanti and we connect up with Chemistry Records, we connect up with Automatic Records, we connect up with Din Din, we connect up with Imudio Records.
Imudio, yeah.
Yeah, you get them. I say, who me I miss. We connect up with G-Heads, all the people, we just connect up with everybody. Because even later from my kid, I probably like 8 different people. Brixton play upon that. We have live instrumentation for that. We have one of family named Rasai, artist Rasai. Big man of
yeah, because I was looking at your Instagram and I see you highlight somebody who play a violin.
Yeah, that's Saya, who the run Protege. Big up Proto. Okay. Yeah, man. Rasai.
Let's bring in musician for us adding a little thing and stuff.
Yeah, Rasai for the idea. So it's need on violin. I mean, violin. Now we reach out to somebody and I say, yo, the person not gonna work. I say, yo, Proto Genium Zaya, man. I say, I'm a link Proto. I say, Proto, you know, say, need some violin people. I say, I'm take up him and link Zaya, man, and send him the truck and connect me with Zaya and yeah, Zaya fixed it. You get the massive band saved by a song. And then the whole most of the song, enough of the song them have a live guitar. Big up Alpha Fowling can play upon a couple songs. Well, you know what I mean? So yes, very rounded
album, man, and it's a good piece to set a legacy as well you call it. I think it's the appropriate name. All of the songs them and all of the production and all of the artists that features on the album. And as me tell you, say 4 story right now, I can tell you, being a mobile and it a tear down the streets. You know, if me I tell you the real thing.
Yeah.
But to mention, as me tell you, the Jada King already gone already, and plus other songs are gonna come tear down the place.
Yeah, man. Give thanks, man. You know. Work hard. Go give thanks to the feedback, you know.
For real. Now, Gobi, what I want to make you know is that no people who watch the chart show, hear the chart show, know say Shells is a man that's all about subject matter. Yeah, that's what I mean. That's how me consume dancehall. That's how me operate in a dancehall. And one thing I forget legacy credit for is the word. When I listen to it, and even when I hear you talk about it, Gobi, the one thing that pop out is balance. And that's what I mean. I say there's a level.
You know what I'm going.
So,
you know what I'm
Cause watch us. You're fighting. Hey, what you know? No, cause you know what I'm going. Hear what I'm going. We say last chart show, you know. I would say people have a misconception of dancehall where them feel like the artists them, the listenership narrow-minded, like only one type of music I make. You know, yeah, people love the badness, yeah, the people. But what I make them know, say, yo, you have artists like Govy, you have projects like Legacy, where cater to the ladies, to what me like to call anti-poverty, where the youth them can know, say, you're better than your circumstance, your family better than you can uplift yourself. I still have what me like to call the Diablo reasoning. Yeah, that's what I mean. Say, you have something for everybody. No, so that's the first thing I want to just give credit to you, Gobi, just that finding that balance. And how do you feel? And it's a terrible tea from J. Cole. You're coming like a middle child in a dancehall right now. You say you're on bridge, but it's like because you have a levels where it's like you're at a level where you can shake hands and break bread with the legends. You them see as equals, but right now to the younger ones, they also a person to look up to. Like, was it difficult approaching this project? Like, did you feel a sense of like an obligation to say, you know what, I can't just go narrow-minded. I have to cater to the youth. Them, I have to show my peers say, yo, I equal to, and I have to watch me because I general too. Like, was there any pressure to find the balance on Legacy?
The same thing with me, with everything I do, I always pray that way. I say, yo, my visuals, my mixing, everything, I always try to say, yo, I can't go do what the youth them do. Because at the end of the day, the youth them look up to me. So I have to do things to make the youth them want to go do that too. You get what I say? Yeah, I can mingle with the youth them, but at the end of the day, if me and the youth are connect, and I have to bring you to my level. You get what I say? I saw me look into it. You know what I mean? Yeah, I hold on your shoulder and say, forward, man. You up here some in your part, man. I saw you level the thing, man. So I saw the video them for look. I saw the song them for mix. I saw you for deliver. You get what I say? Me always feel the same. I always bring the A+ thing. So it's like, you know, everything when I try to do musically, I try to get better and better and better and better and better. I don't like the seconds. I don't believe in the settling fit. But if it's alright, man, I want to know. If you tell me say alright, that means say, yeah. If you tell me say alright, if you watch 4 story and say, damn.
Papi, you got that section there now, because at the end of the day, Shells himself is a video director, and one of the first things he said to me is, what does Govy do why videos them look so excellent? And I was like, boy, I don't know when you have to ask him when you talk to him. Say, you know, all of the videos them excellent.
All right.
Excellent, man. Excellent.
Who are some of the directors who work on some of the videos, and you come up with a concept, or how you do it? How you balance that part there?
Alright, in terms of concept, yeah, a lot of times, like most of the reason why I say most of my videos them look different, because a lot of times, yeah, the concept is by me, or some farmer, I go for people when I know that bring something different, but regular dancehall artists will not go for. So for instance, Samo Kush is on the reggae side, so more of a dancehall artist not gonna really work with him, as they not really work with everybody any which way, you know what I mean? So you try to have some farmer, he more them on the prestige. So it's like me see a song like Saved by a Psalm, I say, yo, oh, could I bring out this the way how me that me know say me that say, yes, this is how this should be brought out. And me just link up somehow and say, somehow this are the mates them have more bring out this away and way. And then fall together and fall and say and put together a treatment and put it together and say, yes, this is it. You know what I mean? Same thing with Jesse James is a youth way. Cause me scour the internet. Jerry, you know me know
man.
Talent. So me scour the internet.
Yeah, that's enough things that people don't realize about Govana. Govana find a lot of producers, a lot of video directors, and put them in the business. Trust me.
Man, whole heap of youths. So what me learn, so me say Jesse James do some things I mess yo. Yeah man, you know, so the youth have bad, but him not get a look in yet because him not have a hit videos yet. So a lot of people don't know about him and how great he is. But we can see the potential and know. So once him get something of substance where can bring certain form of hype around him, he might go really and truly do great things around here. So when we link up with him, I say, yo, 4 story, you know. And like from the man hear it, the man say, yo, me have an idea, and I say, yo, each story more of a house where it's 4 stories and every floor a different story. I say, yeah, forward from my I mean, if you're for a long time, there's some more people that think that come here, I think, man. I say, brother, you know, so that me and mates. I say, yo, I say, you know, mates, I say, I see him exact thing, me and mates. You get to me, I say,
yeah, man.
Yo, yeah, John won't start until him bring a film where the floors and I drop. Me never did a mates that make game. That, I mean, I say, wow. And then the whole the driving thing, him the one do it on a toll and I say, yo, if you just do a 1-2 day show, I say if a 3 day you want to do this, bro, just talk to me, just tell me. More on the best. So tell me what make me have the best. I say, yo, 2 day show. I say, yeah man, forward. When I feel do the drifting thing, we bring in the car from Mandeville and thing, and we do the drifting thing and Ray and put it together, and it's just wonderful, you know what I mean? It really and truly, yeah, the visuals behind it.
Yeah man, excellent work piece. Then as we tell us 8 hours working at the streets, and after the interview you're on the chat, God again.
God again.
And Bobby, I'm glad to say that because on the last chart show, Gerusalem and I were there talk about the importance of music videos and the reception from dancehall audiences. Like we feel a lot of persons have a narrative to say the audience not really care. You know, they don't really care about video of a story. Them just want a certain girl there, so them say them favorite artist. But do you think it's the artist's responsibility to care?
It's definitely, because at the end of the day, it's a differentiator from a regular artist or someone exceptional. You understand? That is what, if you even like the set of individuals that me look towards outside of Jamaica in terms of like women that say, yo, this thing I'm mad, and the rest of them, if you pre the rest of them or then do film thing in terms of like them they use the same the directors where we use them both, you know, them they use them do film thing different, and them do it to a level where if outsiders look on it, them are gonna be intrigued, be like, what's going on here? Like this have something there to catch my eye, something versus it's not every video just go on the ends and just like a spliff and then I want to go around the start to work and because I've seen that video 100 times. I don't remember the name of the song, if you get what I'm saying. I've seen that video 100 times.
But
it's a good thing, just like why am I gonna do this over and over again? Like the only thing change is the location and the clothes.
Yeah.
And probably the man 2 line out of the song because the same song me hear the same song over and over. Me see the same video over and over. It's like 3 songs up. There's literally like for the last 4 years in the dance, there's literally 3 songs and 3 videos. Like at the same thing
over and over, yeah.
Yeah, it's just that I'm on the same 1 line and forward again. In which me not know you think, because the man might do them thing.
yeah.
Music or something like that, you get to use them out of poverty. So I don't have a problem, but with me as a creative, I know something I gravitate to.
Respect.
It now, wow me. You see me? So I say people at some things will wow me, I say, yo, yeah man, yo. Mad, yeah, but yeah, look, get them answer.
Yeah, respect. And Gobi, Jerusalem, you gave your favorite for the
Yeah, they give my song them when me love suffer.
Gobi. Well, again, going back to the fact that I just like that there's subject matter for everything. So right now, a summertime for shells. So right now, you know, I got teeth this from me and did it. But take out the calculator. So at that time, what about the calculator right now?
Yeah, what the calculator?
Yeah, so right now, we're outside and a summertime. So my tune right now, a gal list. Me don't know which
Girl list.
Me don't know which
Tell you about that one.
fine. Me don't know which tune to get that reading. Me don't know. Me don't like it right now. And my tune.
Yeah.
You understand me? But it's a solid body at work. Yeah, I got beer favors, but gal list, top.
Yeah. I want to tell you, say, Girl List is probably the first song I ever recorded for this album, because Girl List was recorded like 2 years ago.
See that?
Yeah, Girl List was recorded like 2 years ago. So Girl List, that be, them two songs beside each other are the first couple songs we recorded, where it wasn't recorded, say, with the album in mind. Well, one was recorded with the album in mind, but a different album, that the Walmart with me and Diddy. In which me and Diddy have a whole album of songs, you get me, I say. And then when we do the Walmart thing now, and I say, yo, Diddy, big man thing this after my album. Yeah, you see me? And then we say, alright then, Ray, and then Girl List was there, and Girl List is probably one of the last songs added to the album, because it been there, and too long we voice it.
Yeah.
Me and forget it.
We're glad you never left it off for that. Yeah, you never left it off.
We totally forget it. I will remember nothing about it until one day we there, and we say, yo, Jano Star. All I so my song them, yo, be a mid song, and yo, we not know when to start party in a jar like. I say, yo, Jano Star, yeah, man, we've got build up some new rhythm and something. And I say, alright then. Ray, we did it, and he might play for some rhythm now, and the girl is with him play. I say, yo, yeah. Remember the song there? And play it back, and I play it back. I say,
And so this is bad.
yeah, and yeah, man, the one I def then, the one I say, yo, Jordan, yeah, man. Yeah, say, alright. Yeah, man. I eat alright. 4 stories the next song to when voice it and just have it and just dead it, and I say my voice it for the album, but I say no, say alright, still I don't feel like it. Yeah, that is one nice little song.
It's a Govana, I'm to tell you.
I'm nice little song, and I'm dead and I so same thing go on. I say, yo, you know, so I need something on the album for uplift you, them forward out a letter, out a same by a song, but build a song now where I go give the youth them a vibe when them feel like greatness there, you know, and way I say, yo, Jano, I'm just go up on my phone, I'm going on all this stuff for the album, about 70 songs me record. So I'm just go up on this, I start scroll and I scroll, and I see a WhatsApp, it never have no title, it have a WhatsApp something there. WhatsApp me they download it out when Frank White record it, and press play. What is again? I start play, because I never had the intro, I had the intro and the guitar I play, I had the guitar and the last, I them tell them, yeah, we put down them set up production the last. And then it come up, yo, Frank White, you send me in the pan and room, I drop the window upon the two, hey, yeah, yo. So like me play it, and like the studio, they about 4 months a day now.
Yeah.
Every month see a song.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, man, I say, yo, what that?
4 story to a 4 story.
Yeah, pull up that.
That's shot.
I say, yo, you don't forget about the song here too? I say, yeah, man, album done. By them time they had that the song I say, I look for me and I feel like the album done it. I mean, what the album done? Oh, me they wait for yo, I hit this. Yeah,
Because earlier, you know, you have Chickadee was the one, the person that actually got online and was bigging up you as saying, and Govy have an album where come out, they will really come take over the place. So that it kind of get me anticipation up in terms of
so who him up
but because Chickadee now, but them give the kudos to it. And listening to the first song, The Letter, is one of the best and that's introduction songs to the album. So people, trust me, when you go out and stream it, go out and buy it. You can't pre-order already because the pre-order
no.
But just stream it up and buy the thing and listen and do get a judgment for yourself. But we at we are shared the Dancehall chat show.
Load, man. It load. And Gobi, before we make it step over, Gobi, I asked you at the top of the interview what legacy meant to you. Now, for the youth, them especially, I know enough youth respect you down at Spain Town. Both more me far from me have the same level of respect over here, I tell you the truth. For them youth, they will look up to you. What advice you have to them as it relates to setting their own legacy?
Yo, comfort. It's a comfort my friends, I can tell you this, comfort is an enemy.
It's a killer.
Yeah, comfort is an enemy, just believe it.
Killer our goals.
Yeah, man, it is an enemy. I can tell you that. And I can speak of experience, you know what I mean? Because at times, it reached me during the whole COVID thing, or I looked after COVID, you know what I mean? Just taking a break. It's almost like a lot of people used to take break from school and say, I'm soon go done. Never, ever. Yeah, it's just basically when we take the break, I say, yeah, the road's open. Yeah, the road up. Me haven't ever taken a show yet, man. I'm good and rain. Until I see, I say, oh, John Oster, you know, say, madness is here because you realize, say, all right, then, send, you know, bus a couple youths, bring some youth on plane and array, but yes, I realize, say, the 10 youth, they may bring on plane, yeah, 40 more around there with.
Wait, yeah, man.
You get so comfortable if you say, yo, I'm done that. You realize, you're not done nothing that, you know. You see me, but true, you've graduated from where you was. You know what I mean? You get to the level of comfort. If you say, yeah, man, I'm good, you know. You have to always, every day, I get up and murder my old self and go again. No about yesterday. What me I going to do now? What me I do tomorrow? What me I going to do? You have to keep the mindset there. If you keep going, you understand? Keep going. Nothing about that stop. Keep going. You understand? And me live for the moment. Me live for the moment. Me live within the moment. I enjoy myself, but me always have my youth in my back of my mind to say, oh, I go on for them if me don't say this thing, I'm a friend. Because I see how whole heap of people take disadvantage of people pick me and deal with them. Them tell you, that the greatest and nicest things them. And once they in the picture, my friend, you pick me, deal with wicked and way. You know what I mean? So even them things, keep me going for no say it now got me, you know. It I go set we are with them I go great and everything I go great and I can help everybody and I can uplift Spanish town and I can make people look on things different and pre said all the way as I say, look how the world gonna get a boy king. You get me I say? So we have to have them mindset there because at the end of the day in a family and the next thing now you have a thing near my man say yo I can't wait to reach a foreign thing I'll change. Bro, foreign in Jamaica, you know, I can't tell a man that, you know.
Yeah, man, you have to tell them, go with.
Yeah, foreign in Jamaica, you know, because you have a thing in 3 weeks, you know, and to tell you forward over, you know. The first week, everything good. Second week, everything good. Third week, you say,
work.
I see the ketchup bottle going down, you know, and the light bill going up. The couch is a bit funky, you know, what's going on?
What's going on?
What's going on? Auntie tell you forward, you know, auntie I tell you leave, you need to leave, find something or leave, you need to do something or leave. You understand? So them thing that you have to know, because at the end of the day, if you're a cruft in a Jamaica or any regional place in the Caribbean and way, going to the States, yeah, gonna be only thing I don't know, I'll be a foreign cruft, my friend. I tell you, as a real hustler, hustling way out of hell, my friend. So now I come talk about when I go foreign now, and some no brother that I only reach a foreign and some things reach, you know. All right, I'm soon again, we can't even understand, we even know what for call, you know. Because them say, because I go by different names and different things. Things change up. You understand that them thing they reach, you know. If you don't have the mindset from yes, brother, it start from yes, you see me, and it start from yes, heart and mind, soul. Get up, go. You get me? Keep going. Yeah, man. That's it.
Well said, Govy. People, it's all about legacy. Govana here does have the reasoning, fantastic reasoning. Govana, again, we can't say it enough. Your album, you as an artist, been have the support of the chart show. Just go and go forward. This song good in my mind, Govy, but we don't know if you have meditate. Wait, you're way ahead of your time. Legacy tour? Oh, it's all.
Definitely. Just like promotion up now, and then we'll take on, we'll just put together, then take it on. Definitely, we have to do it. It's a must.
Well said, Govy.
All right, my question to you now, Govy. What is the next? You got a video thing there? And girl list?
Yo. All right then, Jerry. I have one more video for release and one of the collab them Vado. Yeah man, I wanted that the video.
Yeah man, the Vado half a Vado.
Yeah, that was the video out no, so I get it like him give the energy and for him say more on that out now we'll make sure say him feel a joy see him so I get it out ASAP.
What about the one we did it?
Yeah man, we have to cause I did it. Everybody will have a song on this album, love them song, I want them song. have the energy there. So everybody want a video, and we have to try the best to facilitate that. With songs I'm about, I myself now, I definitely feel like girls have to have a video. It's me. I definitely feel like Letter is a thing when I have to.
Yeah, man, Letter definitely.
You definitely need a video, and I think My Will.
My Will, yeah, man.
Yeah, My Will is a song where it's
song will cap off the album.
Yeah, My Will probably need one movie to how people receive it so far. You know what I mean? It's like we definitely in the pipeline. I try to put some things at the pipeline to get all of them things out. I mean, know the fans that more have to see some form of visuals. So, but what don't even have visual videos, I'll probably get visualized. Because we know we have to do it right. We have to do it good. We have to make things presentable because everything now is being consumed right here. You know what I mean?
On the phones,
good. It's almost like it don't sound good. So it's just like, I have to put things together the way that make people can enjoy it the way and consume it the way that the best possible quality. I just never want to put out some album artwork and some in my dance up and
yeah.
No, I want to put together some things where this thing definitely just have the legacy and have the legendary feels, you know, the legendary vibe. So we just in the process to do all of them things, you know what I mean?
Alright, go be.
Alright, go be.
Enough respect again, Govana. Safe travels through the journey. We're very, very proud of you, General, and just want to keep up the great work. You see it?
Come on, art of
bless, Gobi. As we said, 10 story, definitely I touch a chat.
4 stories up by it.
There we go.
Bless.
Respect.
Now what am a poor story now? 4 story house. Now what am a poor story now? 4 story house. Now what am a poor story now? 4 story house. Now what am a poor story now? 4 story.